And I guess the last question, but I would like to ask you is, for you, what is the meaning of life?
What, sorry?
The meaning of life.
Meaning of life?
Yes.
Okay, today we're going to go down to Wat Daeng. What's the name, Om?
วัดแดงประชาราษฎร์
Okay, we're going to have a look around there. Like and subscribe. Take care all.
Right, we're at the end of the site. Let's go. We're going to cross the road now to the temple. As you know, crossing the road you have to look both ways. And we're in the temple now. Cool. Find a place to park my little bike. So we're just got off my little bike and now we're going to have a look around this temple. Oh, by the way, this is my New Year's resolution to get my face that was meant for the radio to be on YouTube. There you go. Cool. Just walk from the roundabout there, guess it's a roundabout, and we're just going to crawl into this little place here, which looks quite cool to me. Let's have a look what's going on. Medicines. What fantastic, really, where people make merry. This wonderful stained glass window. Around here. Very big Buddha, but I've been told this has this temple has the biggest Naga in Nonthuburi. I've yet to find it. There you go. We'll find it, no doubt. Beautiful, beautiful Buddha statues. Let's go around here and have a look what's going on. Try not to disturb people, but you know me, I always tend to. Not deliberate, I promise you. just think these temples and stuff are amazing. Another one there. Now when I go past it, I'm going to put my head down. So she knows I'm trying to respect her. Well, I have no idea how this has happened, but my new friend, my pra.
Yes, monk.
Monk?
The monk.
Yeah, cool. What is your name?
I am Raju.
Raju?
Yes.
Cool.
But I am from Bangladesh.
You're Bangladeshi?
Yes, I am stay here.
But you...
I am here, this temple.
Okay.
Stay, and I am study for Buddhist, Mahamukut Buddhist University.
Okay.
I am stay about the long time.
Okay.
15, 16 years about.
Okay,
Yeah.
cool. Great, thank
This is
you.
for Buddha temple.
Okay. Oh,
This is for, we are chanting here, this room. Chanting room.
okay.
This one. The monk, everybody, morning and evening, that we are together chanting on this room.
Okay. Great stuff. And how long have you been a monk for?
I am. Oh, so long time, about 25 years.
25 years. 25 years. Cool.
Monk have a burn, Buddha statue, Dhatu. We have said the Dhatu. They put here. Make new. This one we make it new. This area for somebody pass away, we are fine. After put here,
What do you put in there?
burn.
Oh, the bones.
Yeah, burn. The put here.
You put the
We are
bones in
chanting
there.
also, they
Oh,
have a
okay.
burn. You see?
So this woman who has died,
He's a die.
rest in peace.
Yes, he's die.
Her bones are inside
He's
there.
born inside here.
Oh, okay. Okay, may you rest in peace.
Come.
Oh, this is completely new.
Yeah, make new. They make new.
Oh, wow. Oh, you can see that how they're building it. It's completely new. Let's have a look at this. Is cool. All right, thank you, Kumpara.
New construction.
Yes. Looks very good. So yeah, this is a completely new structure. Well, I've never before I've been filming this, but I am. There we go. Why not? So, can I ask you another question? Like, when the temple is finished,
Yes.
you will have a big ceremony here, right?
Yes.
But when I was at my very old school,
Yes.
they had one stone
Understand?
in the ground.
Yes.
Is that something that you've done already?
Yes.
So you've done that already, okay, cool. Okay.
Do you want this one for new construction? You can see this one like that.
Ah, and this is the biggest Naga in Nonthuburi, right?
Yes.
Okay. So these are the meditation rooms.
Yes. This is for meditation room.
Is this for Thai people or would tourists be able to be allowed to?
Thai people, maximum Thai people stay here.
Okay.
Yeah. Foreigner actually not come before.
But would a tourist or a foreigner be allowed to?
Okay, no problem.
No problem.
No problem.
Yeah, cool. Oh, well, there you are. I'll give you a link in the description. Subscribe and like, and Yeah, I'll
No problem.
yeah. Well, it's definitely unseen, so there you go. I have to ask you what the cat's name is. What's the cat's name?
The cat's name, actually I don't know.
You don't know?
I don't know. They have so many cats.
It's a good name for a cat. I don't know. Hey, don't know. Come here. No, I'm joking, of course. Any dogs around? What other wildlife do you have around here?
Yes. Our temple actually have so many cats. Dog little bit.
A
Our
dog,
temple.
dog little bit.
Yes.
Cats, maybe some birds.
Yes.
Nothing else, right? Nothing to surprise me. Cool. And could you tell the viewers about Buddhism? What?
Buddhism?
Yeah. I mean, what do you practice every day?
We are practice for meditation. Chanting, meditation. The Thai language say patipat.
Okay.
Thai language.
Okay.
Your English language say meditation.
Yeah.
We are meditation, chanting, activity that work in the temple.
Okay.
So they have every day so many activities at temple.
Okay.
We are monk.
Okay.
Because we are monk, we are having activities so many.
Yes.
In the temple, chanting, cleaning, and meditation, practice like that.
Cool. Well, that's great stuff. And I guess the last question, but I would like to ask you is, for you, what is the meaning of life?
What, sorry?
The meaning of life.
Meaning of life.
Yes.
Meaning of life. You thinking. What do you think? And how to make your life.
Yeah.
Everything for your mind. Everything for your mind.
Yes.
Today you visit for our temple.
Yes.
Before you come? You
No.
come just first time. How do you feel now?
I feel good.
You feel good.
Yes.
It's like that. That is life.
Yes.
You feel good. You come for our temple, visit around the area, and you feel the good.
Yes.
This is for mind, and you take your heart. You feel good. You take your mind cleaning, and you feel your heart.
Yes.
You feel good.
Cool.
And like that, you can see we are make a better life, good life. You and me different. Because your living, I am a monk. Your style, your lifestyle, and my lifestyle different. Not same.
Not the same.
Not the same. This is a different for you and me life. Understand?
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you very much for that.
Okay, you
Kopong
come
Cup.
for.
Well, you don't get that every day talking to a monk on an interview.
Great
That was
stuff.
excellent. Absolutely, completely shocked that he came and said hello. And I think we're going to say hello and say goodbye to him because he's going to say goodbye to him because he's been such a helpful guy. Okay, Kumpra. Thank you very much for your help today. Kumpra. Don't forget to like and subscribe as well. Perfect.